Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something exciting on the workbench. We're unboxing the Dongcheng Brushless Circular Saw, model DCMY02-185. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, this cordless beast promises power, precision, and portability all in one sleek package. Let's get started. Introducing the DCMY02-185, a powerful and versatile cordless circular saw designed for demanding cutting tasks. Engineered with a high-performance brushless motor, this tool ensures longer life, higher efficiency, and reduced maintenance compared to brushed alternatives. Operating at a no-load speed of 5,000 revolutions per minute, r/min, it delivers smooth, fast cuts through various materials. The 185 mm blade diameter and maximum cutting capacity of 65 mm at 0 degrees and 45 mm at 45 degrees allow for deep, precise cuts whether you're working with framing lumber or sheet goods.
You must press this button before you press the trigger. So you use this side to press it and then you can just hold it. This is the Dongcheng Burshless
0.1 kilograms in most variants, 3.5 kilograms for the solo version, offering excellent maneuverability and comfort during extended use. It is available in multiple battery configurations, including 20 VMAX/4.0/1, 4.0/2, 5.0/2, or solo, depending on your power needs. Package options vary. The FK model comes with 5.0/2 batteries and a 4A charger. BM includes 4.0/2 batteries with a 2A charger, and DM includes 4.0/1 with a 2A charger. Each unit also includes a hex wrench, fixing plate, and is neatly presented in color box packaging. The DCMY02-185 combines power, precision, and portability for professionals and DIYers alike. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.